Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So many of the users they have reported a problem like whenever they go to their Instagram stories, and if they select a photo or click a photo in Instagram stories, they are not getting this restyle option. Okay, so in this video I have come up with a solution within the Instagram application how you can use this restyle feature. So this looks like very less efforts video, but just to find the alternative solution, I was working on this for 2 days. So if you find this video useful and it's working for you, do like, subscribe and comment in this video. So for that, what you have to do, open your Instagram chat, any chat you want to, you can open it, and uh, upload a photo here. I mean, put that photo in this chat, and after that press and hold on that photo. Here you will see the restyle option. So here you can do whatever you want, change the color of your dress, background, whatever things you want to experiment, you do it. But now there is some restriction. You cannot use multiple times, you can use a few times in a day. So think what you want in that photo and do changes. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.